Sunday, November 30th, 2025, AGNDD, Intelli Report topic. Ethiopian volcano erupts for the first time in 12000 years. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this entirely AI-generated article-based video. Ethiopian volcano erupts for the first time in nearly 12,000 years of scientific records. The plume from the Haile Gubi volcano drifted east over the Arabian Sea and extended roughly 2,200 miles. Marta Hill, staff contributor, Smithsonian Magazine, November 26, 2025. A volcano in northern Ethiopia erupted Sunday, marking its first known eruption in 12,000 years. The volcano, called Haile Gubi, spewed ash up to 9 miles into the air for several days, leading to flight cancellations and spreading a layer of dust across nearby communities. Haile Gubi is a shield volcano, a type of volcano known for very broad, gentle slopes and oozing lava flows. Named because their shape resembles a warrior's shield lying flat, these volcanoes are the largest on Earth and are built by repeated lava flows. It's unusual for a shield volcano to produce such a large expulsion of ash. To see a big eruption column like a big umbrella cloud is really rare in this area. Juliet Biggs, an earth scientist at the University of Bristol in England, tells Stephanie Pappas at Scientific American. No casualties have been reported, but medical teams were dispatched this week to affected neighborhoods. Abdella Musa, a local health official, tells the Associated Press Emmanuel Gebramedin Birhani and Rajesh Roy. While no human lives and livestock have been lost so far, many villages have been covered in ash, and as a result, their animals have little to eat. Mohammed Saeed, a local administrator, tells Samuel Getachew at the Associated Press. The Smithsonian Institution's Global Volcanism Program has no record of any eruptions of Haile Gubi during the Holocene, the current geological epoch, which began at the end of the last ice age, about 11,700 years ago. But Biggs tells Scientific American that satellite data has hinted at potential volcanic activity more recently. I would be really surprised if more than 12,000 years ago really is the last eruption date, she says to the publication. Situated in the rural northeast of Ethiopia, Haile Gubi has not been deeply studied, and the surrounding area is only sparsely populated. Still, the recent eruption marks the first documented belch from the volcano in millennia. The Afar region is prone to earthquakes because it is situated along an active rift. Ahmed Abdullah, a resident, tells the Associated Press he heard a loud sound when the eruption started. It felt like a sudden bomb had been thrown with smoke and ash, he says. Both Air India and Akasa Air canceled flights in the area as the plume from the volcano drifted into Asia. The ash cloud blew east over the Arabian Sea and extended more than 2,200 miles, according to images from the Copernicus Sentinel-5P satellite on November 24th. The volcano sits in a region called the East African Rift System. The two plates that create this rift are moving about 0.4 to 0.6 inches apart each year. Ariana Soldati, a volcanologist at North Carolina State University, tells Scientific American. This ongoing shift contributed to the eruption. Haile Gubi has seemingly been dormant for thousands of years, but the Erta Ale volcano, which sits about 7 miles away, emitted plumes in July. So long as there are still the conditions for magma to form, a volcano can still have an eruption, even if it hasn't had one in 1,000 years, 10,000 years, Soldati adds. Marta Hill is a science journalist based in New York City. She is a part of the 2025 class of New York University's Science, Health, and Environmental Reporting program. Her work has appeared in The Transmitter, EOS, Boston.com, and more. Did you know? A volcanic eruption that made the sun look blue? In 1831, sulfur gas from a volcanic eruption made the sun appear green, blue, and purple from Earth by scattering the star's light. It cooled temperatures in the northern hemisphere and dimmed skies.
Thank you for watching this AGNDD Intelli Report, dear viewers. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified during new uploads. And make sure to tune in next time. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers!